What's up everybody, it's Kelsee Brianna J here with a review and demo using the new Marc Jacobs See-Quins Fall Edition 2018 eyeshadows. Whew, that was a mouthful. I ordered both of these, so of course I'm going to use both of them in the eye look that you're going to see. I demoed the entire thing, but we'll get into that in a minute. Here is the packaging for the eyeshadow. Super cute, very festive. It reminds me a lot of fall, and I like the tones that they used for the packaging. The colors are called Blitz Glitz and Topaz Splash. It's only two of them in the fall collection. These are separate than the holiday sequence eyeshadows. Here's what it looks like. It comes in a pot. You get 3.5 grams of products in each of them. These retail for $28 each. On Sephora's website, it says that these are super limited, and I agree. These have been going in and out of stock, so if you want them, I would get them now versus having to wait and try to track them down. I actually ordered mine from marcjacobs.com, and on their website they actually gave a little gift. So if you order anything on their website over $50, they gave me a free highliner. They gave me a color that I did not already have, which I appreciated. They gave in the buff, which is like that icy champagne, more neutral type color. So the description on Sephora's website says that this is a sequin finish eyeshadow in a pot that adds super shimmering dimension to any look. The innovative demi-pressed process allows the pigments to apply more vividly and gives the glitter maximum sparkle. The versatile formula can be packed on for intense glitter or blended for a soft wash of sparkle. It delivers high impact dazzle with smooth glide and bold color. I love these. I think that they are really beautiful once you get the hang of using them. I definitely would recommend you either using a synthetic brush and working very slowly to build these up, or either just going straight in with your finger. These aren't cream eyeshadows. These are just really tightly packed eyeshadows. It has like a really smooth consistency, but it definitely has large chunks of glitter in it. These have a little bit of texture to them, so you're not going to want to apply a lot at one time because it will fall off onto your face. It comes with a presser, so you can continue to press them down. You can use these wet or you can use them dry. In the demonstration, you'll see that I use them dry, so you don't actually have to have an additional adhesive. It also helps if you work with a stickier base. So if you use a concealer, don't set it so it can really adhere to that. Or you can use like a glitter glue and it'll pack, but I just went straight in with just my concealer method and it worked just fine. So Topaz Splash, this one is described as a smoky bronze, but it's so much more than that. It's a beautiful color. It's multi-dimensional. It has purple, gold, a little bit of silver sparkles in here. I really don't have anything like this in my collection. The color is very unique, and then on my complexion, that color just pops. I definitely will be using this more. You can use this in so many different ways and create different looks. I love that one the most, so if I'm gonna pick between the two, that's the one I'm going for. But then the color Blitz Glitz, you all know I love purple. That's one of my favorite colors. This one is described as a blackened violet. I agree with that. It definitely has the hint of black to it. It definitely is a more vampy color, but I love this one too because it pulls more reddish on me, so it's not all the way purple. So I really like mid-tone colors like this. It almost is berry on me, and it can give like more so of a cranberry type hue, but you can see the purple coming through. Did I just rhyme? Oh, I feel like I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the demonstration of these products. All other details about what's on my face are listed down in the description box, and I hope that you all enjoy. I'm going to use the Scandalust palette as my main basis for the eye look and go in first with this color That's Why, which is like this mid-tone brown. Make sure you tap off the excess, and I'm going to apply this as my transition color and as my crease color. So just back and forth and deposit this color, and then I'm going to go in circular motions to diffuse it. And then I'm going to dip into just a little bit more and just further intensify that crease color. and then diffuse it on the edge as well with no additional products, but just make sure that this is really nice and blended out. Switching to a smaller blending brush, I'm going to take the color Little Miss, and I am going to concentrate that right on the outer crease, on the outer edge of my eye. I'm going to take this color directly in the crease, lightly blend it up, but really concentrate it right in that crease. And then don't apply any more products. Whatever's left over, take that and blend that towards the inner corner. But not too much. You want to take just a small amount of this color and do this because this is a very pigmented eyeshadow. And then I'm going to go over it one more time just to really make sure that that color is opaque. Like so. Same blending brush, and I'm going to take Scandalous. And let's take that color right on the outer corner on the lid. So I'm just packing that color on the side of the brush, the belly of the brush, and then just tapping it to deposit that color. And I'm concentrating this on the lid. Worry about blending it after you deposit the majority of the color. And then once that color is there, take the tip of the brush and turn it and begin to diffuse that color up into the crease. Like so. Now let's move on to the See-Quins, what I'm so excited about. First, I'm going to go in with the purple one. This one is Blitz Glitz with a synthetic haired brush. This is a MAC 247 brush. So all I'm going to do is dip directly into that product, pick up some of that, just a little bit, because if you get too much on your brush, it's just going to end up on your face. You want to apply this as flatly as possible. If you have a whole bunch of pigments from this like hanging off of the brush, you have too much. Work a little bit at a time because it's easier to add than it is to go in with a whole lot, because it'll just end up all in your face as fallout. So I'm going to go ahead and rub this in on the lid. So just apply. You may still get a little bit of fallout, but that's okay. And make sure to blend that with the other eyeshadows, but we don't want to cover it up. So right on that edge, just take the flat side of the brush with no more products and blend it out to diffuse those colors. And then I'm going to take it up to the crease, but not in the crease. So right on the edge where that crease color stops, again, I'm taking like the side of the brush and just lightly marrying those two colors together. And if you need to, you can even take your finger with this just to even further smooth out this eyeshadow. I love that color. It's like a reddish berry color, but it pulls purple too. Now I'm going to go in with Topaz Splash, which this one is like the multicolor, like bronzy one. So same brush and same method, just sweep it on. Oh, that's so, oh my God, that's so beautiful. So I'm gonna, I got a little bit too much, but you see what I mean? When you get too much, it just kind of flakes off. I'm gonna take this all the way over. I'm gonna leave the tiniest space open on my inner corner just for a lighter color, but I'm just gonna blend this over on the lid. This is so pretty. I'm obsessed with this color. That's everything. I love that. So pretty. Again, I got a little bit of fallout, but that's okay. Just brush it away. That color is absolutely gorgeous. If you don't get anything else from Marc Jacobs, I love that color. Super pretty. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this color. This one is Hot Pants. And I'm just going to lightly dab that on the inner corner just for a little bit of brightness, because this can be a little dark. And I'm going to go in with Scandalous. Not a whole lot. Oh, just kidding. Let's take that all across the bottom. I'm going to apply this eyeliner on the waterline. This one is called In the Buff. I'm just going to throw that in there. So I'm going to go ahead and do liner and lashes and a few finishing touches to my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the finished look. I love these. I think that they are absolutely gorgeous, but my favorite one for sure is Topaz Splash. I love how multi-dimensional it is. It looks really pretty, and I think that it's just different. I don't really have anything like this as far as colors in my collection, and I adore these. I think that they're fun. I think that once you get used to using them, they'll be easy to work with. Initially going in, just know that you should work little by little. You can build these up, but trying to put on a lot at one time, they will flake off. So just keep that in mind. But I love the colors. And I love the way that the look turned out. Let me know what you all think about these down in the comment section. And I will talk to you all in my very next video. Smooches. Bye.